Good morning, students. Welcome back in your English class. Students, yesterday we have done our scene passage 1 and 2 in revision sheet. Today we will do grammar work of revision sheet. So today we will do singular and plural. And singular noun names one person, place और thing. यानी singular noun किसी एक व्यक्ति का, एक जगह का या किसी एक चीज़ का नाम होता है. अ प्लूरल नाउन नेम्स मोर देन वन पर्सन, प्लेस और थिंग. यानी प्लूरल नाउन जो होता है वो एक से ज़्यादा व्यक्ति, एक से ज़्यादा जगह और एक से ज़्यादा चीज़ों के नेम होते हैं. वी एड एस टू सिंगुलर नाउन्स टू मेक देम प्लूरल नाउन्स. यानी हम सिंगुलर नाउन को प्लूरल नाउन में बनाने के लिए उसमें एस को जोड़ते हैं. लाइक बुक, बुक्स, चेयर, चेयर्स. हियर वी एड एस टू मेक इट प्लूरल. वी एड ई एस टू नाउन्स एंडिंग इन एस, एक्स, सी एच और एस एच. मीन्स जो जिन नाउन के एंड में एस, एक्स, सी एच या एस एच होता है, वी एड ई एस टू मेक इट्स प्लूरल. लाइक बस, buses, box, boxes. Here we finding x or s at the ending of this word, so we add es to make these plurals. We add ves to nouns ending in f or fe, like wolf. Here we find f at the ending of this noun, so we will add ves in place of f. So the plural of wolf is wolves, wolves. As it is knife, we find fe at the end of this word, so we will add ves in place of fe to make its plural. So the plural of knife is knives, knives. We add ies to nouns ending in y, like city. In city word, the ending letter is y, so we will add ies in place of y to make its plural. cities, cities. As it is cherry, and its plural is cherries, cherries. Some nouns have special plurals. They remains the same in both singular and plural forms. Like sheep, its plural is sheep. Deer, deer. Fish, fish. Aircraft, aircraft. Buffalo, buffalo. Mouse, mouse. Kiwi, kiwi. Shrimp, shrimp. These singular nouns do not change in their plural forms. Some nouns have irregular plurals. Their spelling is changed completely in the plural form. These words do not take s or es in the end to become plural, like man. When we make its plural, the spelling will change men, man. Foot, feet. Fungus, fungi. Mouse, mice. Now we will do question number A of our revision sheet. Complete these sentences with the plural forms of the noun in the brackets. Question number 1 is, two days run to the park, and bracket the noun is in bracket child. Now we will make its plural. So what is the plural of child? Yes, children. So two children run to the park. Now look at number 2. Trees lost their days in the fall, and the clue is in bracket leaf. And here look student, its ending letter is F. So we will remove F and we will write VES in place of F. LEA, then we add VES to make its plural. Trees lost their leaves in the fall. Now look at number 3. Mohan plays with his dads in the garden, and the noun is in bracket friend. To make its plural, we add only S, FRIENDS, friends. Now look at number 4. My aunt tells me days at night, and the noun is in bracket story. When we make its plural, we remove Y and will write IES in place of Y. So the plural of story is STORIES, stories. Now look at question number 5. I saw many days in the pond, and the noun is in bracket is fish. As we learned, some nouns have special plural. They remain the same in both singular and plural form. So fish is one of them. So we will not change fish. We write as it is. Its plural fish. I saw many fish in the pond. Now look at page number 5 of our revision sheet. Punctuation. A sentence begins with a capital letter. यानी पंक्चुएशन क्या है? सेंटेंस जब कभी भी हम स्टार्ट करते हैं तो वो उसकी शुरुआत किससे होती है? कैपिटल लेटर से. We use a capital letter for the first letter of the names of the people, place, months, days of the week and holidays. यानी we use a capital letter, हम capital letter use करते हैं for first letter of the names of people, यानी people के name के लिए, place के name के लिए, months के name के लिए और days of week यानी सप्ताह के दिनों के name के लिए और holidays के लिए हम उस capital letter का use करते हैं. We also use a capital letter for the word I, यानी I के लिए भी हम हमेशा कैपिटल लेटर का ही यूज करते हैं. We put a full stop at the end of a sentence, यानी सेंटेंस के लास्ट में हम क्या लगाते हैं? फुल स्टॉप लगाते हैं. So now look at question number B. Use capital letters and full stop in the correct place in these sentences. यानी here are some sentences. We will put capital letters and full stop in their correct place. Now look at number 1 sentence. A watch is a very small clock. Look, here is not any full stop and its beginning letter is in small letter. So we will change it in capital letter. A watch is a very small clock. So because it is a simple sentence, we will put full stop after completing this sentence. Now look at number 2. The carrot is a vegetable. So first of all, we will do T in capital letter, like the carrot is a vegetable. And at the last of this sentence, we will put full stop. Now look at number 3 sentence. Diwali is a festival of light. As we know, a sentence begins with a capital letter. So we will do capital D I W A L I. Diwali is a festival of light. L-I-G-H-T, light. And we put full stop at the end of this sentence. Now look at question number 5. She wanted to see her mother. So first of all, we write the capital S in place of small s. She wanted to see her mother. And at the last of this sentence, we will put full stop. So, students, these are our grammar work in this is the grammar work of chapter 1 in our revision sheet. Goodbye everyone and take care.